Hello, students. Let's begin our social science class. Today I am going to explain NCRT Economics chapter The Story of Village Palampur. In continuation of my fourth video, I am going to explain content non farm activities in Palampur, which include dairy farming, small scale manufacturing, shopkeepers, transport, and computer centers. These five activity I am going to explain under the heading non-farm activities in Palampur. You can see the picture, milch cattle. This is called dairy farming when we raise cattle, buffaloes, cows, and we sell milk into market. Dairy farm. Dairy is a common activity of people of non-farming category. The milk and other dairy products can be sold at neighboring cities and towns at good profit. This is main occupation of the people in rainy season in Palampur. You can see the picture. This is clay potter making diyas or the utensils made by mud. So, small scale manufacturing. Small scale manufacturing include less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. It involves very simple production methods and are done on a small scale. They are carried out mostly at home with the help of family labor. Some examples of small scale manufacturing: handicrafts, cloth weaving, basket weaving, candle weaving, etc. You can see the grocery shop, shopkeepers. Shopkeepers in Palampur, people involved in trade are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the village. There is a small journal stores in village selling wide variety of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuit, soap, pen, pencil, and even some clothes also. Now you can see the picture of transport. These are example of transportation facility in Palampur: rickshawala, tongewala, bogies, bullock carts, jeep, tractor, trucks. There are a variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshawala, tongewala, jeep, tractor, truck, bullock cart, etc. They ferry people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. Now you can see the computer training center which is run by Kareem in Palampur. Computer center, another way of earn livelihood. Kareem has opened a computer class center in the village. There were two women in the village who had a degree in computer application. He decided to employ them. He bought computer and set up the classes in room of their house. High school students have started attending them in a good number. This is how he earned his livelihood. Question related to the topic: describe the non-farm activities of village Palampur. So you are going to describe dairy farming, then um, small scale manufacturing, then shopkeepers, then the transportation, and last computer center. These all 5 points. So question is 5 marks. Thank you and have a nice day.